Hey guys, it's iDraws, and I'm here with an Animal Crossing video today, so I'm just gonna do a town tour. Ooh, it's Gracie. Well, looks like we're not doing a town tour today, but Gracie's fashion check. Let's talk to her. Hello there. Are you a native in this little town? Yes I am. Of course you are. And you have perfect timing to boot. I happen to be the creative force behind the Curtain ultra-fashionable fashion brand. Your precious town is begging me to open a shop here, so I wanted to see the place with my own eyes. I'll only bring my brand here if the citizens are sufficiently stylish savvy. You're interested in fashion, darling? You interested in fashion, darling? Yes, I guess so. Of course you are. And with that in mind, you could surely use one of my patent fashion evolutions. I hope I read that right. I hope you're up to task. Okay, here's how it works. I give you a super stylish theme, and you get until the end of the day to get yourself styled up in an outfit to match that theme. Of course, I expect to see you coordinate shoes, accessories to go along with your get-up. Now, what should the theme be? Totally iconic. Shouldn't be too hard for a true stylista like yourself. Just create an outfit based on the theme. Don't forget your deadline, end of the day. I'll be gone tomorrow, you see. Cheerio, darling. Okay, well, looks like I'm gonna go get an outfit ready. Actually, I should probably use the path that I have specially made for myself. By the way, if you're wondering, apples are not my native fruit. It's actually cherries. I'll show you what I mean in a sec. Totally iconic. Totally iconic. Let's see. Let's just go to the clothes section. Totally iconic. Maybe I'll try this fresh tea. And do I have any good looking glasses? Bandage, doctor's mask. I'm just gonna go to my pants for a sec. Maybe I'm good in the ones I'm wearing now. Silver frames. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, looks okay. I have a hat. It's called a grandpa hat, but it looks pretty good, so I'm gonna try that on too. No. Nope. Ah, there it is. Let's just go into my inventory and put it on. I think that looks pretty good. Let's see if Gracie approves of it. I don't know. Maybe she will. Maybe she won't. Don't know how it works. Let's just go all the way up to the town centre. Ready for your fashion check, darling? Ready. Don't sound so confident. Well, I happen to have a spare moment, so let's get started. Gracie's fashion check. Totally iconic. Yeah, just according to the theme. Let's see if you managed to pull it off. Of course I did. I'm the best. No. No! I hate you. Oh well. Let's go to the town hall. I have a flower clock here, because it's the only good thing I could put there. Like, did you just place a flower? Disgusting. I hate you, Gracie. Let's go down to the mountainside, because I have the perfect town. That means a very special sort of flower grows by the cliff sides, but I can't seem to find any. It's called the Jacob's Ladder. I have one in my town. I will show you immediately. No new flowers to be picked. The Jacob's Ladder is a rather special flower. This is what it looks like right here. Let's go talk to my second favourite villager, and I can show you my favourite after. Cherry, hello. Hey, welcome, Tralala. Make yourself at home, Lockie. What did you want to talk about, Tralala? Let's talk. You're really good at catching fish, aren't you, Lockie? Well, how about an ocean fish? Oh, what I wouldn't give to have one of those salty critters of my own, Tralala. Can you please get one for me? Sure, although I probably won't get one today because I can't be bothered. Okay, bye. Now let's go to my first favourite villager, which is down somewhere else. Follow the path, go up, and then down here. Hello, Benjamin. Oh, what are you pinging me about? Oh, chain gang shirts. How did you know? I tried. No thanks. Sorry. My favourite villager lives just over here. Hopefully they're home. I don't know. Okay, no, they're not home right now. Let's go. Dang it, I didn't want... If I can't find them today, that's fine. Sorry, my camera's terrible. Just let me adjust it. That'll do. Sorry if it moves, but... Well, I guess we can't find her, so that's all I can do for today. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and comment for what you want me to do next. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.